Small buyback volumes are bad for your business, causing low revenues and inconsistent testing and grading. But are there any other significant consequences that may happen if you don't solve this problem? Today, we are going to share the story of our partner. They ran a buyback program in a big chain store, but the outcome was very poor. Out of 2,000 stores, they got no more than 2,000 devices. What was the reason? Due to inaccurate testing, they had a high return rate, which led to low prices that didn't attract customers. Soon, they closed their buyback program. But this is not the worst ending of the story. Our other partners faced the same problem: small buyback volumes and inaccurate testing. But after they bought devices from the trading program, they resold them at marketplaces, back market and refurbed. Can you guess what happened next? They got banned on these platforms. Customers complained about their purchased devices, which led to the prohibition of working on the marketplace and the ban of their deposit funds. Not cool, right? But we have a solution to prevent that. This is the robotic solution Riva from Ansys Group. With Riva, you get consistent testing results that will ensure the quality of your stock. You will be able to offer your customers fair prices and steadily grow your business. But the best part is the buyback volumes. One technician with one RoboLine can process up to 70 devices per hour. Optimize your buyback process and win new customers with Riva. Have a nice day!